How's it going? Chef Pat here again. I just tried some kale in my Instapot. Followed a recipe from a lady on a website who I thought had cooked it more than, or say, cooked it more often. I thought she had read that it was bright green, and this is not bright green. It is delicious, to say the least. But I think with half a cup of chicken stock and garlic and oil, everything tastes delicious anyway. So, as a chef and as a home cook, one of the things you have to be careful of is following other people's recipes, because sometimes they didn't do what you needed. They might have just wrote it down, or they got it from somebody else. And there's a group of books that are notorious for having bad recipes like that. I'm not going to call them out because I use some of them, but you got to be careful, and it takes some practice. I just know now that I'm not going to follow her instructions. I'm just going to kind of do what I thought I would need to do. I just wanted a little bit of guidelines to start, and then I'll try it again some other time. Just not cook it as long and maybe not as pressure. We'll see. But it's delicious, and I'm going to keep eating it. And really, if it's nice and buttery, probably be really good as a ravioli filling. Just a little, if you overcook it. Talk to you later.